now I am with Paul Wu. He is the project manager here, and he is in charge of overseeing all the manufacturing and inspection processes. Paul, thank you very much for joining us.
Hi, Camille. Very thank you for let me have this opportunity to introduce our factory.
Absolutely. We'll be talking about your factory and especially about your manufacturing machining equipment, because when it comes to the quality of your gear reducers, obviously a crucial factor is the quality of your machining equipment. So maybe, Paul, you can talk a little bit about what types of machine you have and why you chose them.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you can see in our factory there is gear hobbing machines and gear choppers and gear grinding machines and jig grinding machines. And they all come from well-known manufacturers and from the country that is Germany, Japan, Switzerland.
Okay, so just well-known manufacturers from countries where you expect very high precision machining equipment.
Yes. That is very important. That is our principle to select the machine basic on that.
Wide range of applications with different models.
Yeah.
Okay, and we talked about the design, the innovations. So this is your SunUs design. Do you have any patents on your gear reducers?
Yes, we have a patent on the mechanical preload system.
All right, Kate, you are back. Welcome back.
Yeah.
And we want to talk a little bit about your team, and then we also want to talk about customer communication and customer services. So you have showed us your standard gear reducers. Now Edward talked extensively about your zero backlash, more advanced gear reducers, but let's also talk a little bit about the people behind SunUs. So what do you think differentiates the SunUs team from your competitors?
Yeah, our team have high quality theoretical foundation and a rich experience. So it's why every year we have been pursuing excellent research and innovation. So it's why we obtain multiple patent certificates every year.
All right, and also we want to mention, Paul, that all your inspection procedures follow ISO standards, right? International standards.
Yes, absolutely. Both in process, quality control, and inspection record meet ISO specifications.
Okay, excellent. Now, Paul, you just mentioned records. So for how long do you keep track of your inspection results?
Inspection record for each process in manufacture, assembly, and measurement will be available for every reducer. Their record will be kept for over 8 years. All third-party suppliers are qualified with ISO certification.
All right, Paul, I think with this we have covered the extensive quality control procedures at SunUs. Thank you very much. We have some of your products reducers in front of you, and we have some of your most important series here in the background. Why don't we just walk over and talk a little bit about all the different series that you have to offer and the different applications. And Kate, we want to start with the PG series, right?
Yes, the PG series is universal for the CNC machine.
Okay.
The output shift inside, including the taper roller bearings.
Okay, roller bearings.
Yes, and can hold the axial and radial load.
Okay, so specifically designed to sustain more radial and axial load. Oh, here we see another type of planetary gear reducers made by SunUs, the DG series. So Kate, what about the DG series?
Yeah, the DG series, the French design is one-piece French carrier, and we're using a big bearing and can save the space.
Okay.
And also the radial and the axial will become bigger.
All right, so that was the DG series. Now let's walk over.
Fast.
Okay. Okay, so that was the HG series, and right next to it, because they belong together somewhat, is the HP series. So, Kate, what are the differences between HG and HP?
Yeah, HP series is for speed movement, because we put the bearing connect with the outshift with the gear.
Okay,
and
so specifically designed for high-speed machining operations.
Yes.
Okay. Now we
2 years ago, we invented a special mechanism. They can easily adjustable backlash to improve the accuracy.
All right, improved accuracy through an anti-backlash mechanism, or in this case, actually zero backlash, as we can see on this inspection sheet. And with this inspection device here, they can measure the positioning accuracy of the gear reducer down to plus minus 2 micron. Edward, that's crazy, super precise, ultra precise.
Yes, actually, our equipment can reach these kinds of accuracies.
All right, but I'm sure people watching right now, they not only want to see those numbers on this sheet here, they would also like to see the same numbers here. So can we show them?
Yes, testing.
All right, I think you've seen it yourself. You need unique design capabilities and equipment to manufacture unique products. So if you are looking for highly accurate, durable, zero backlash gear reducers, you definitely should not sleep on what SunUs has to offer. And now, but let's start with the mechanical type. So maybe you can tell us a little bit more about what are the differences between the different models.
The DMU we designed with easy setup housings. They integrate two gear reducers with a unique adjustable mechanism. They drive by one servo motors, and these two pinions against the rack and swing gears. They can function zero backlash.
Okay, so zero backlash and dual pinion design. Actually, all of them are dual pinion design, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when it comes to the mechanical type, we have one more, which is the BMU model. What about this one?
This one is designed by Easy Setup plate. This is with the same penetrating gear reducer with a unique adjustable mechanisms and drive one servo motors. This one we application on our customers that look like Taiwan's 4 stars. They use this ones to his double current machine centers.
Okay.
It's running very well.
Okay, so we've